In this video, I am talking all about Wondershare Anireel, an amazing animated explainer video creator. So let's get into it. Anireel is really awesome because this is an easy to use animation software. So let me jump into the homepage of Wondershare Anireel and show you what they have to offer. So this is the home screen of Wondershare Anireel. So as you can see on the left hand side, that's the home tab. The second tab is script to animation. Third one is the recent project. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just select the home tab, and here as you can see, this is the new project. Then we have TTS, then we have create your avatars. I'll select the new project and I'll select the 16:9. Okay, so as you can see, this is the main editor window out here. On the left hand side, as you can see, you can select the scenes. That's the office scene, then industries. So there are different types of scenes out here. And I'll just create a demo video to show you guys how you can edit with Anireel. So as you can see, once I have dragged the office one video, okay, and there are multiple options like music. Then you can just import different videos out here. So I'll add a scene. I'll add a second scene here. So as you can see, you just have to drag it and drop it here. And again I'll drag a third scene here. Okay, and one more, I'll add the fourth scene also. So each and every scene you'll be able to edit for each and every scene. So I'll just add one more scene out here. Okay, so I have added the scene. So if you want to edit some of the text, you just have to select the scene. You can also rearrange the scenes. Okay, so you just have to drag and drop it here. You'll be able to change the sequence also. So if you want to change the text inside the text of any scenes, you just have to click on the title there, and I'll just write it hello here. So as you can see, you can also change the font of the text. You can change the animation of the text. It's very customizable. So bold, italic, there are multiple options. You can also change the colors. As you can see, this is color palette here. You can also change the effects also. You can also change the motion effects also, motion path. So exactly what you want, you can just adjust it here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just select a different scene. So as you can see in this scene, so there are various elements out here. So once you see in the editor tab, you will see different elements are there. You can adjust the elements according to your need. So I'm just adjusting the flower pot there. You can delete it. So if you don't want, if you want to move anything, so if you want to move any object, you just have to drag it and drop it, and the object will be moved. You don't have to do anything high tech. You just have to drag it and drop it. As you can see, you'll be able to adjust each and every object in the scene. So in the next scene also, as you can see, I'm able to adjust the table. I'm able to adjust different objects. You just have to drag it and drop it. So once you click on all scenes, you'll be able to see the entire scenes. So there are 4 scenes. You'll be able to see entire 4 scenes in the single timeline, and you'll be able to preview the entire video in a single go. Also, there is a text to speech option where you can generate text to speech using AI. Okay, so this is AI voices. You just have to enter it here. You just have to enter the text. So for each scenes, the minimum the maximum words are 1500 words here. Okay, for each scene. So once that is done, you just have to click on export, and that's all. So there you go guys. Anireel is a really awesome and powerful animation explainer video creator, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody that needs to create animated explainer videos. So if you are interested in Anireel, check the link in the description below, so that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.